Alright, everyone. Thank you for coming to the stream. I think we'll be starting now. I don't know why the audio isn't actually picked up by OBS, which is rather strange. Okay, actually, um, something is off. Something is definitely off. Okay, I'll try it again. Alright, something is wrong. I'm trying to see if something doesn't work. Doesn't seem editor. Up starts and running. Or start. Screen 1, 2, 3, everything. Now, this work? Hope nothing. Okay, I get it. On full screen. Why doesn't it work? Next one. Focus. Get up. Oh. Okay, do we have this? Window. Ah, yes. I'm going to tell. Yeah, it's here. That is. I'm going to scale it up a little bit. And I need to see. Right now it should be fine. Well, I see. Okay, this almost works. I would like to set up it more possible. No? Do this or do that. Because this doesn't really look cool. Okay, pro level maximum. Awesome. Okay. Everything should be set now. Alright. So um let me a little bit. So wait. The audio is not getting why. They 1, 2, 3. Microphone works for the audio. We have 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay, I got it. Great. Everything's up. Okay, let's start this. So, today I want to work on HyperDocs, which is a moderation bot. Well, not moderation bot, but it's documentation bot, sorry. It's primarily built because I really wanted to make some cool project for Discord Hack Week, and it actually involved into separate projects just for fun. What this bot does, it is collecting data from documentation source and displaying it in Discord. Right now, the only concern and the problem that I'm working on is actually displaying REST methods. Because in Discord, we don't have yet reached support of Markdown. So we can't really use tables and such stuff. You can only use basic stuff like paragraphs, quotes, etc. And we don't even have headers, so we would need to come up with a custom rendering of those things. Now, alright. So I don't really know, like I already separated this, but I didn't really go through this for a long time, so I might need to get familiar. Yeah. So the last, excuse me, the last time, all right, probably um, configure whole build task just for the simplicity, create test JSON thing, now I wanted to go build, like, go, have it, no, we don't, no, comment and comment is go build, go, docs, d, docs. Okay, now this very gets interesting. Now what we need is run, build one, and build, and run is now what I'm gonna do with this and for the full build task, build and yeah, test task. That's not build but test. So test that. Doesn't have this. Now to open up range. That's patient. Second. Where do we build this? Okay, let's delete. Do it. Anyways, no, I don't care. I just use bash. I'm gonna delete bash. We just go build cover docs. We exit. Now directory we are in. It's gonna take a while to compile this, and I probably might need to get down current bot, which is Roku. So I'm going to go on the board Roku and disable it for a while, so we get a chance to work. But and I hope I didn't waste all the resources in Roku, because that will be a shame. I really hope it works. Right. On work. Yeah, so basically right now, what we're doing in Docs is we're trying to figure out how we would render REST methods and tables. Headers are coming, but that doesn't really. And I also want to support some other build cookies again. Kidding me? Don't you ask? Oh, come on. You're kidding. Right, you know, gone to the Z. This back to her. Okay. Okay, let's healthy, healthy. Right. So okay, no one really watches us. I don't... Okay. So it should work, well, but somehow it doesn't. Where are you? Alright, so it's still building. How nice. Why it's still building? Interim didn't take that long. That takes so long. Take this amount of time. I mean, it's not huge, but it's not that huge. So taking all. Okay. So long. Why I read so well on work. Anyway, thank you. And we were fine. Now I'm gonna hello. Okay, now I'm gonna trying to be that down. Now we'll run hyper. Now this is a problem. I don't remember where I put it. It's dash list. Version. Um. Okay, I don't know why I did it. It's dash. Oh really? Oh, it's dash. Have it? Oh, what was one? Okay, so we actually lost a 10 point. Pretty impressive. Alright, so probably I'm gonna help out of this for a little while. So I can do your tokens. Yeah, so, oh, let's have to do the... Does it work now? Yeah, it does. I'm gonna opt out. Yeah, leave the music running, but yeah. Alright. Alright, kind of forgot even now that I got all the files. Oh yeah, be right back doesn't really work well, but yeah, I would help with the music. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Okay. Sorry. Alright, I'd say everything, almost everything works. Now I'm trying to get a VS Code to behave well because started to do some weird stuff. I don't know what it does. But yeah, what should be my use code? No, that's gonna something like open it. And anyways, don't make me rerun you, please. Airbnb. Okay, you're reloading. Yeah, I need to really reload it. Doesn't work. Right. So today's stream didn't really go well. Like, doesn't really go well. So I might stream tomorrow as well because why not? Yeah, and I hope that more people are today or tomorrow. Like, we're waiting. Better to have fun is that but probably yeah, kind really late. By the way, someone is in chat. Broader probably you are. What best time that suits you? Tell unsure when should I stream? Like, I don't know, 6 p.m. like 7 p.m. by local time. What do you think? This is the best time. Anyways, I probably got it to work. Docs Discord. Let's say interaction. Say a notification. Common. And open. Yeah. No. To pull up my other comments. Working. I might need to. Docs. Um. Kidding me. Can use this. Remember. Are you being serious? Are you being serious? No, okay. Just pretty much. I need to scroll all the way up. Alright, now. Okay, let's get this here. Now let's try it. Oh, Docs. Bird. Oh. Alright. Work now. Okay. It actually works as you can see. I mean, I don't really know, but at least now it works. Okay, so that's right now how we rendered it. Like we here, pressure members work. Yeah, it does work. Now, the only thing that we can't really use, is let's say we can use this all. I can display like edit a global comment, no problem. But I'm not sure if it won't crash. It won't really crash, but might. I don't know. Alright, I'm doing this. And, well, as you can see, it renders everything except JSON for hands. So we will work today on this. Also, what it doesn't work with, it doesn't work with the structure. Type descriptions. Yeah. So, really unsure while how we'll work on this because it's kind of problematic to like JSON params can be displayed not on table. But displaying structures or models not in table is kind of problematic. So what I might do is I might say type. Okay, well actually I'm going to research this, but generally speaking, they have like Discord, for example, as okay. That's really problematic. So we can't really give like we can't really give fields a name. Like we can even have fields. Station params can be displayed, but having fields is kind of problematic. Yeah, I really display this. I know that field type, etc., can be displayed, but how really we do? Also, additional params, etc. Like we can display that in a list. We can display that in fields. Maybe it would be ideal. Or we can try to render Markdown, like the whole Markdown table, but that's so problematic. All right, let's actually work on JSON params. Okay. Okay. Oh, great. You know what? The best thing that it didn't accidentally open up my, let's say, config. Yeah, I forgot to actually enable my theme switcher. So yeah, I almost held all the tokens. That's kind of tricky. Right. So right now, let's work on this on search. Now this should be okay. We get NPI point. We get point. What is return? We don't have any parameter, and we don't have JSON point. And we don't have an object. We don't. What is the problem? Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna add more things. Parameters. What? Query parameters. API point parameter. 25 description. You know what? Probably we can actually type out thing here, but I can type out everything. I can type out some things like enums, volume, max. Yeah, probably need to like go through this and see what table do we have. Like, I don't mind require rep scrapping, but I don't want to do this really. Action time. Yeah, that's problematic. Because right now, like we can easily display this. Like we can easily display field time description from. Oh, actually, I forgot to enable screen. So, yeah, here we go. Now, can I actually display this? Pretty easy. I could just do let's just say something like LED, like that's channel in which the is targeted. But we might also need to display action type and can do something like that. Action types. Action type. Like this. Oh, sorry. This. But that doesn't really look good, probably. Or we can make it even better. We can have it as fields. The only problem actually displaying this as a field that I mean we probably can display the whole structure as field. Yeah, that's one of the ideas actually. Create a field for each column, like for each row, and say this. But as far as I remember, we can't really create more than a certain amount of fields. So I'm gonna see this. How many fields do we have at this time? Or have basically unlimited fields? Do we have anything? Do we? Or do we not? Apparently we don't. Apparently we really don't. Because we can have as many fields as we want. Maybe we can create for each of this. HL field, like I'll extract like something like name, value of the field. Yes, okay. Something like that. Name, yeah. Type, string, and value of the field. Something like that. Yeah, that is really easy to format. You know what? We can actually display this. Like, let's even go here and let's just try this out because, like, I don't know. We can probably try using this. Okay, like event. Like that will probably be field update. Oh, would probably be we don't have any type. We have only value, so that's one. This. Like probably we can actually display like two tables. We display this, which means that from other side we can really display it. Um, like yes, like we might need to embed with line. Might need to use. Do we have this? Okay, outer code is this. Hello? Anybody? Okay, I'm loading it. So yeah, we have multiple like rendered multiple ways, but generally speaking, don't care what fields, but we can use them to render this. What if I use? And probably will be better to use. Okay. Okay, so let's I don't know the title there description field. Okay, let's say what is this? Oh, okay. False. Okay, the name of my field is field create. I don't know, test this something. Now, this is grams. Like drag this. Here's gram. Like I don't know. Volume. Hello. Volume. Hello. Um. Volume. I don't know. Name. Ring. Volume. Sure. It doesn't really good, but yeah. So it might look like that. Yeah. Or we can do something else like that. Do something like that. Or we can do some that. That is hmm. I'm really unsure. Like, no, we probably can't do this for let's say for tables, for models, flags, etc. But we can really do this for endpoints because points have two tables. Like might have tables. First query table, then second is JSON parameters. That's tricky. You might need to use fields like that. And first I know, first I remember, no no endpoint actually like have other than description type description. Oh, it actually does. It does. Yes, it does. It does. Then it's tricky. Then it's really tricky. Because we can display this like yeah. So JSON params display like JSON param which is gonna be I don't know hello or hello. No, actually, you know what? Let's do this with this car. Book, 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 book. Yeah, for that. Now, this. Clear. You know, add a bit. Now, body is a testing point. Testing point. There's something. Very further background noise. I'm gonna be back in a minute. Alright, I'm back. And we can, yeah. We're trying to experiment with fields. Jason for amps. Amps. Now, for example, have param named volume, which actually has, no. Okay, let's take a real endpoint. Now, have Nick. Nick. Now, what Nick does is, type string, string, Nick type string, volume, set username 2, type string, not really. Okay, I'm real unsure. Can we do this? Probably we can. This? Okay, yes, we can. We can do that in spaces. Yes. Look, yeah, we can. And we can display this like mission. Could be this mission. Or this. Now this might be, I don't know, what else? Or else type array of snowflakes. Hmm. Okay, actually, you know what? This looks nice. This really looks nice. I'm unsure, but it does look pretty good. I can see doing this. Or we can use something like that. I don't know. Yeah, you know, this is actually good. Like, I think that's gonna be this. Yes, we just highlight this, we highlight this, and we're just doing everything. Yeah, so that looks really good. Type string permission. Yeah, probably that will actually help with render this. And we'll do the same for other things. I might actually ask that for rotary. Probably actually, you know what we're going to do? We are going to do. Yeah. Yeah, right now we're supporting this. And we're gonna render this in a field. Yeah, and I'm not gonna probably do it. Yes, we need actually to parse. Whole thing we need to parse it. How do we do this? That's a good question. Now we actually collect this. So let's see. How do we return an API? How do you know it's a okay. Oh, okay. We use this. Now we collect the whole thing. It's a block quote. We collect it. Hold. We use it. Result equals nil. We don't use it. Now we also collect HT. Okay, no. We actually need. You know what? We actually need to display this because we're not really think that through. Okay, so we actually print node. We are going to have print. We need to actually print node. Print and that's probably nesting. 2 or 3. Okay, let's now I'm going to do this. And I'm going to write out. And it probably shows something strange. Yes. I mean I know. Well. Okay, well. Forgot to build it. Yeah. I forgot to build it. Now it should work. I think work. Okay, we got it. We got it. Okay, added global comment. Okay, let's see. Added global comment. What do we have here? All permission optional, edit global comment. We have paragraph. Change this. Okay, now we have padding. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Now, and we get out. That is tricky. Really tricky. So, how do we really do this? Like, how do we really do it? I mean, okay, let's actually bring that. No, 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 no. I'm unsure. I'm really unsure. How do we print the whole? Okay. Maybe you know what? Maybe I'm going to case a table. I'm going probably to print node as well. For case ht table. No. Put header. Okay. So okay, let's just wait for the table. It could actually work, but I'm unsure. But it should. I hope. At least I hope it will. Okay. What do we have? Burger. And busy line. Yo. How do you parse this? Like, how do you really parse it? Okay, well, we can actually not stop collecting this, probably. But, yeah. Okay, we don't get it. We don't have it. I don't know why. Don't have it. Yeah. That's quite depressing. How do we really print this? I mean, I can break this, but yeah. You know, that's going to be really problematic because we don't know about it. Okay, let's just do IST, not table, but table, anything. Anything we have. Footer, header, the table, footer, the table, body. Okay, you know what? I know what the problem. Because it's a header, it's something. Yeah, so we need to kind of not do this. HT header. Just keep it. Heading, we just keep it. We don't care. Oh, table. Now, table row. HT table. Oh, yeah, I don't know which one will look like it. See, I don't really know where it'll work, but this should. Okay, that is a problem. This. Okay, so no, we kind of need to break, but we don't need to. Yeah, I'm actually gonna browse this room for a while, and I'm gonna be back. And I'm back. Now, up with this. Okay, but for real, I don't know how we do this because I do not. Okay, that could work. Okay, it has actually a table. Okay, so we don't really care about this. Okay, so if we find result node with this here, yes, we actually get this. And if we expect the heading, then we and result the util no how heading does it look? Okay, so heading ID is validating if present title block. It's not a title, but we can link it. That's very interesting. Okay. Okay, what's this block though? Like, what is this? Okay, let's try it out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, what's up? What's wrong? What's wrong, Pickles? I need you to work. Please. Work. Okay, so H2. This what? This is what? This is H6. Okay. H6. Pretty good, huh? Pretty good, huh? Yeah. So we might actually need on this, but yeah. So if we dot level all n equals 6 and then we switch we name what we okay for the heading level heading ID content the heading station frames. So yeah, we need to actually get the text out of there because yeah, that's really tricky. Really. So I'm not, I don't know, trying get first child e dot out leave Yeah. Okay. So, which this, it's not like strings to Walter. Lower. If it's Jason Grant, Jason, then we append the result. Guess we now Jason Grant. Bring. No, you know what? For now. Let's see. What can it be? Yeah, you know what? Rams, Prairie, maybe FPI, empty. Huh? Get your Rams. Okay, so let's add Rams. I'm sure. And yes, we can't really do anything here. So we might need to set the current node. Yeah, so we might need to fast forward. We don't really have anything. Yeah. We don't return there. Okay, what is it? What? I hope. Yeah. Okay. Rooms. Okay, so we actually what we do, render through this. Like we go through this, and we actually try like we expect to get the table frame, like we expect to get the table thing, but we actually actually get it, we kind of need to need to go through this here, or we don't because we don't really care. Uh, yes, yes, we just get the table thing here. Like, where we get this, and it's actually parent object. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna print it. Okay, I'm gonna probably yes, I'm gonna do this. Then I'm gonna take the table. Okay. You know what? Not really ideal thing here. Yeah, probably will actually skip the whole thing. We could just skip it because we don't need it. Yes, we might just continue from this, like from stop collecting API methods label. Because really we need to skip the whole thing to not bump this again. And yes, we need to skip this code. Yeah. So right now what we're actually doing is we get next node. Get next node. It's actually becoming current. Yeah. Type this. Now what we actually do here also we set up table actually current dot ht table, and okay if okay is not, then we continue from stop collecting methods just in here. Now table to create and use so we just see okay no friends now okay table just like not. Now, I'm not really sure how the like legal continue works. I played with it for a while, but I don't remember how it works. So yeah, I'm gonna create an example. So that play and back. So I zero, I don't know. Play this. Now if I equal, and then we continue to, and we print out find I. fine, of course. Okay, so we don't get it. Okay, we can go up to 10. Wait, we don't. Wait. Yeah, we don't. Then it actually works. Okay, let's try it again. Scratch, only. Yeah, I'm gonna run the same command. Okay. I'm gonna fail. Now, rams and query, we need to actually set like that blank variable to the value, so we amend them and like we tell just compile that we don't use them and up. Hey, you don't use it. So okay, so now it should work. I shouldn't do this. It should work, but okay, I don't want this. Okay, this is not fun. This is really not fun. Okay, so if you see another tag, another type of another, just break, stop collecting method. Just break because you don't want to get like this. You don't want to one small amount of things in our bed. We don't want like a whole documentation team. But we still get it. Rather crazy, I'd say. That's rather crazy. I have no idea why. Why are we getting this? It, come on. Yeah. Yeah. No, like we need any, but I don't know. We need to continue. Okay, thank you. We have table header, we have table body. Great. Now what we need to do is we need to just create a function that will parse the whole thing. And I know to put it to us. Great. Okay. So let's start with this. Now render tell boolean parse additional terms. That's gonna be full. That's gonna return us. You know what? That's probably oh, that's gonna be four numbers. Nine parse. Now what we actually return here. But the main thing that we're after is full. So it's actually like this whole thing. You get the header. Probably gonna be a map. It's gonna be a map here. Map. Or no, it's not gonna be a map. Or is it? Okay. A table row, which is table. Yeah, we need to. Portrait. Now, for we actually need there. Change table st first child table. Yes. Now have it as table row. I know we get the first child. This thing. We get ast. We get first child out of the yeah. We get actually like Because from table, we get to table header, then we get to table row. Now, this thing gets us table header. This thing gets us table row. And that's where we go. We get children. And now the fun part. We get the table cell. So we get header, we append header. Right. We update this. That's container, which contains. Right. So we get the get first. We and we cast it as sleeve, and then we get literal, which actually gets string. Now we're just gonna print line header, and we're gonna return empty param because yeah, we don't really parse them right now. We will try to, so that's parse when params, and that's in table. Okay, let's see what do we have, and if it works correctly. That's the whole point of it. Correctly, and type description. Yes, pretty much. That's what we wanted. Yeah, we have header now, and now we need to get the table body. So we get a state get. Now we need to get no anything. So children 1. Children, the second one then. And we have the body. So we have the body. Now where's the body? We need to go to rows. Now that's gonna be you know what? We're gonna get this container and we're gonna get children first. Now we go to body on. Go to rows, range rows, and that's gonna be around. Now that's gonna be for row, just row. Now in row, we have table cell. So we go to cell, change row, children. Oh well, get children. Table, children, just to children, 1, children. Make it row children. What do we do with them? Now we need to actually cast them as table cell and get the option. Like we need to get string node. Yeah, we need to get the string node. So generally speaking, they won't put anything here. Like they might. What I'm afraid of. So I don't know really how do we rent this, but I remember that I had some kind of this. Like some kind of it. Or I grabbed that. I grabbed that. This. We have code. Probably doesn't work. It doesn't know. It doesn't know how to do this. It doesn't know. Yeah, because so I might render string node. But that's not this, really. If it's no, that's probably actually render string. Not really like render. Oops. Node string. Oh, that's result. Now we're gonna go node range nodes. Now for one node, ready to go. Switch the node. Knife for each node. Wrong place. Okay, now we have this. Now we have text. And let's r plus equal b dot. Now paste a code. We put it like generally speaking, that's how it works. Oh yes, I forgot. I really we usually do this. And we ice to walk each of them. Yes. Yeah. God did this. Like we all do children. That's not only power. I grab the any node. We can. Yeah, that's actually render. You know what? Render. Not this. It's gonna be yeah. It's gonna be this. Trigger, but text renders X node string. Now that's going to be X node. That's going to be node. Am I missing something? The container. What is this? What is this? Um. You know. We don't do anything. We don't do this as well. What we do is we remember. Oh yes. Scale. Now we render. We render text. Oh, no. No. So what do we do? Serial parents and from itself. Yes. Um. The main. So if the first field is actually what we get. Row get no ast get first child row from row, and it's going to be parameter name, and that's the util render text node. Yep. Now the type. Oh, that. It's going to be. It's not going to be. It's gonna be. Yeah, we're going to get the description. Actually, no. You go through this and adds everything up. So then we go through the children from the first and any here. Yeah. What we'll do is if cell dot okay, you know what? No. Work, isn't it? No, it's not gonna work. So we really need to parse the header correctly. So we need to get the header values. And while we're in this, I will use strings to lower just to check my correct values. So if header now we go actually header. Now we go for X. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Call for yeah, so we actually get switch all case that's gonna be field. Right. I can probably feel yeah, we that's the param. Or um, param name. What's this? Oh, forget about that. Fucker. Now, case, description. Or no. No. Probably shouldn't have it. Let's here. No, we don't. So, in any one of them, description. But we can have additional. Let's say on guild. The guild. By guild member. So we have description. Okay, we have description. That's gonna be param. But that's not that. That's not it. And then type. And additional. Mapped out. String. So description equals computer under text node. Is the get first child of pro. No, that's pro, but no, children, pro, children. Now we get children, 0. Children, oh, children IDX. Oh, children IDX. Now case, like the other thing is going to be in param. Yeah, we need DHL and data. Children X, and this is additional. Going to be from column equals, DHL. What is going to be children index. That adding params and param. And then I return the param. It should work. It really should. No, I'm just unsure. Will it? But it should. And we're gonna set the param. And we're gonna set them here. Component and param. Now, okay, so we don't use query. I just assign variable to nothing here. To query and go and see how we render this. Okay, how do we render? And like, really. You know, I forgot. We don't really render it. No, we don't. Do. I forgot about that. Oddly. How that's gonna be. Fields are gonna be perfectly. Now, parameters gonna be in fields, not in parameters for range. Now, params. Yeah, gonna everything. Gonna equal. Okay, forgot about that. Yes. Not going to be type. I'm not sure. No, 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 no. So the type really shouldn't be anything other than this. Okay, it should. That would only this. Guess the name usually, but this thing can replace like a lot of things. Like the type, yeah, you're going to wait. It's going to be additional now. Now, additional. Uh, yeah, it'd be additional or from name from value from dot additional. Now additional plus equal. Okay, so we're good. Okay, and we S. Now, okay, I forgot to actually undefault thing. So that's gonna be name and volume. But something so great because we are doing this. You know what? Yeah, but not. I don't really. No, no, we do. So I could. You know what? I really forgot that about. I forgot that we lower thing. Now it should actually work. Now it's going to be call. Going to lower all. Okay. So okay. Just go to this. Where do we go? So it's going to be effortless. Beam from in from type from. Okay, it's gonna be and from description. Yeah, that's gonna be fantastic. Believe me. And render this. Render fields. It's gonna be name is gonna be trans. And it's gonna be value with trans. They made it work. Like I don't know if will it work, but oh yeah, that's what I like. It is not what I like really, really like it. Yeah, so we need to actually append 2 or even 3 times of this. Yeah, probably like 2 times will be probably enough, but I'm gonna have to. No, it's gonna translate it probably. And I forgot that. And let's spice this thing, up. Bold, and actually should stand out of all the things that's these. Okay. So okay, come on, work please. And does this. Boom, baby, it works. Okay, so I think that's cool. Okay, let's try it on another point, like modify your mission. Okay, this didn't go well. Oh, that's very strange. Uh, okay. I guess, yeah, it doesn't really work. Me. You know what? Alright, so I think I'm gonna wrap things here. So, yeah, I'm gonna probably stream tomorrow, and maybe, yeah, I'm gonna stream tomorrow. So, actually, Merry Christmas, everyone. Yeah, it's really, like, yeah, like, it was already, but yeah, Merry Christmas, everyone, and have a good day. So, see you tomorrow, and stay safe.